Power target trades, power trigger trade. All right, people, power trigger trade, Sandro here, the big picture expert. I got a plan here. And you know, before I get to the plan, the difference between me and a lot of other people is that I focus on a few high probability setups. In other words, I may post 5 to 7 plans a week. They have to confirm, and the ones that do 80% of the time make great gains, or at least a break even. Okay, so when you're following me and when you're in my group, we are in the high probability setups only. Unlike a lot of other services out there, they need 15 to 20 picks because you know what? They don't know what they're doing compared to power trigger trade. I am, people, the big picture expert. All right, now, so let's get to the plan, people. So MA is set up to test 185 to 188. That's right. Next, yeah. The March 18. Actually, March 16. Never mind this. March 16, 180 calls could be used. Typo here, but you know, you can see it's March 16 over here. Common sense, you got to think a little bit, people. 180 calls right here. These guys right here. All right, now. The open interest is about 5,000, I think. This only shows the volume in here. So MA needs to. I will explain the facts inside the video. So listen up, people. If we get the volume as this breaks above 176 and a half on 500K on a 10-minute chart, I'm going to look to enter. If not, I'm going to watch for a basing above 176 and a half and look for volume and power through 177 to even 177 and a half. So the entry zone will be 176 and a half to 177 and a half, and that will depend on the action, the volume, and the price power. Now, I will explain the confirmation inside of a group trades. Now, let me show you something, people. All right, people, welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post great detailed plans. You want to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube account, get one, subscribe manually. I'm going to show you an easy way to subscribe later on in this video. I want to show you, here's a link to my website. Let's take a look at it, people, together. All right, so here's the link. Here's Power Target Trades. This is my website, okay? Now, this is something you can subscribe to. If you hit the subscribe button, what will happen is it'll pop down to the subscribe area. And then, of course, we'll just quickly scroll through. Here are my plans. You can check out my plans. Now, these are detailed plans that could be found on the Power Trigger Trade Power Target Trades on the YouTube channel. But I just want to, anyways, you can check a look. You can see here's a service page, right, that I'm still working on. Stay tuned, huh? About, yeah, that's right, about working on it. Power Trigger Trade here, people. All right. Yep. All right, people, so quickly, I'm here at Power Trigger Trade. Confirmation is key. Listen, people, if you want to become a group member inside of Power Group Trades, here's the video. You want to listen to this video from start to end. Do what it's required. It's very simple, you know, but you know what? It takes people that have a little bit, that want success in their life. Now, let me show you something. Anyways, this pin tweet video, see it. It's going to explain what to do. Let's move forward, people. Okay, so we're here back at Power Target Trades. This is the YouTube channel and my website over here. And of course, if you click over here, that gives you Twitter. You also want to be a follower on Twitter. All right, now, people. So I'm going to give you a message one-on-one. Let's see what I say. And again, this picture of me in a circle format will appear in the video. You click on it, gives you an easy way to subscribe. Let's see what I say, people. Power Trigger Trade Sandro here, the big picture expert. You want to study my creative playlist on the bottom of my YouTube channel. You also want to subscribe. A lot of great information here on Power Target Trades. You can also find my website link. And don't forget, there are live streams on my YouTube channel. So you want to subscribe for a whole bunch of reasons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like